How to enter in call after three red candles. In this day, the price open with gap up and the price goes up. Right here, make a pullback, goes up again. From here, the price dropped down, goes up, and from here, the price continue going down. However, right here, the price made three red candle in row, and the next candle was green plus it was bullish engulfing. Right here is the best enter of the day because three red candle and then appeared one green candle. This is my entry in call. Stop off below the same candle and exit with five green candle in row. Remember, this strategy always work a 80%. If this strategy doesn't work, always put your stop loss in the same candle. For example, enter with the green candle, stop loss right here in case if this trade doesn't work, if the price goes down, because in this business also we lose money. However, we make more money than we lose. Today there were a lot of opportunities, but this is the best trade of the day. And let me show you something. From here, the price made six red candle in row, six red candle row. This candle right here is a big green. The next candle was red. In this case, is enter input stop loss above. If the price goes up, I got my stop loss above already. When the price go down, if the price made four red candle in row, it is exit with only one green candle. This green candle, I am obliged to abandon the position. I was waiting for six red candle, but the price only made four red candle. I am totally happy with this trade. And the way how I teach how to trade candlestick price action is the way how I trade in the stock market. The way I speak is the way how I trade.